Good day, folks. It's Tony from the Tech Firm. It's spring, almost summer here. It's time to do your spring cleaning. That includes your computers. I've talked about this many times in the past. We're talking about the dust that accumulates on the motherboard and all the other electronics. It just, I'm going to just say it becomes a thermal blanket, and then it just keeps all that heat in, and it increases the chance of things overheating. So it's always worth cleaning out. I'm going to show you how to do this again with just a regular PC, which I do every spring and every fall. And you'll be surprised how much stuff still comes out of this. So enjoy, have a good day, enjoy your summer. So we got our good old computer, we got our air compressor hooked up, use a can as well. If you are going to use like a pancake compressor or some kind of external compressor, we don't need 100 psi, we're not blowing chips off the board. Just anything like 10 psi, it's not a lot of pressure. So every single one's going to open differently. This one, we just slide this little blue guy over, and this opens up. Around, and at first glance it doesn't look too bad, but we'll give it a little blast and I'll show you. And I usually start really far away, don't start real close, and then as you gauge the pressure you can get a little closer if you want. All done. You saw a couple of dust bunnies fly out, I'm sure. And usually I do this outside, but because I'm going to record it, I did it here in the tool shed. Have a good day. Bye for now.